Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the party outfit inspo in DTI. If you're ready to have a sophisticated and winning look for the tea party theme in DTI, this video is your ultimate source for elegant, charming, and perfectly proper outfits inspiration. So now let's just get started to make this look. So now for the hair, I'm combining this hair in here. You can find this one on the feminine hair category and also this one on curly hair and this. So you can choose the color that you prefer for the hair. Now let's just get started. First, I'm going to put on the skirt from this dress in the main section, this one, to go into skirt and number 2. And for the color, I'm going to use this color in here. Okay, put on the Mary Jane shoes in white color. Let's put on some accessory. Here I'm going to use this necklace. Change color to white. And let me put on this ribbon to bleed into type 2. This color and also the headband. Use type 2. And put on this ballerina skirt to bleed into number 2. Use this soft brown color. You can now go to the dressing room and put on this skirt. This one in here and use the patterns that you prefer. I'm going to use this one right here and also put on the top. Just use the same color and patterns. On this one, to bleed into sleeves only. Use the pattern. On another necklace from the code items, all in white color. You can also put on these sleeves. Use the patterns or use a solid color, that's up to you. So guys, this will be the final look for the party in DTI. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorial.